This is my recording of week 1 with the Acme website. Um, I was having some issues with the NetBeans. I didn't feel like it was set up right, or it was not doing something right, and I wasn't sure what I was doing. So rather than just not do anything, I put it on my brackets. So I did the template on my brackets, and in my brackets, pull brackets over here. On my brackets, everything came up right. On brackets, I got everything, I got it to come up the way it needed to, as you can see here. And before I went to copy everything over to the NetBeans, I checked it and made sure that it was validated and that it did what it was supposed to do. But for some reason, when I tried to do NetBeans, it was not responding the way I thought it should. And after watching the videos, and it said that if you weren't sure to go ahead and just delete it all and redo it, I did that. And I don't know what I've done. I don't know how I've done it. I don't know what happened. I've gone back through. I've gone over and over things. I've watched I've watched the videos more than once. I just don't know where my problem is. I don't know if it's in the way that things loaded. I don't know if it's I don't know if I've done I don't know what I've done. I just have no idea what I've done. I do know that you can copy and paste from something you've built in brackets, because in order to make sure that NetBeans was up and running, uh, Andrew helped. That's how we checked to make sure things were running right. Um, so this is what I get if I try to, if I go to my index, I'll show you my index here. And if I click on the Acme, I just get a blank page. So I don't know why it's doing that either, but that's what I get. So I'm not sure what more to do with this. I ended up getting called into work today, and so I wasn't able to try to contact anybody to see if they could help me. I know before I go on, I've got to figure out what's going on with this and get it right, because each thing we do builds on each other. Um, I've started the home, but it's not done because I can't figure out what's wrong with my template. So I've I've gone over these. I can't find anything wrong with them. I'm sure whatever it is probably simple and easy. So um, I'll try to get help for them this week and see what I can do to fix them. And in the meantime, I'm very sorry this is such a mess.